if you want to quit Instagram, you can permanently delete it. Before you start, I invite you to up-to-date your Instagram application. After updating, open your Instagram application like this. Then you tap your profile avatar in the bottom right corner. Then you have to have this hamburger menu in the top right corner. If that option is missing, you can scroll up and down like this. Then that option will be appear. Like you see in the video, you have to tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Then you will get this setting menu. After that, you have to have this account center feature. If you don't have that one, all you have to do, you can up-to-date your Instagram application. Then this option will be here. Then just tap on account center. Then you will get another pop-up window. In this pop-up window, you have to select personal details under account settings. Select like this. Now see the last option, account ownership and control. Here see the second option, deactivation or deletion. Since we are going to delete our Instagram account, see the second option, Instagram. Then you can see the default selection is deactivate. So you have to change it to delete account. So you can check on or tap it, delete account. Then it will be selected. After that, just tap the continue button to go forward. Here they will provide a list of reasons. Here you can select at least one reason. According to your selection, the next window will be optimized. So if you want to get less question or if you want to get the same interface for the next window, you can select my reason too. Here I will select the last option, something else. Then I will tap the continue button. Here they ask you to re-enter your password. I will re-enter my password like this. Then I will tap the continue button to go forward. Then you will get this final confirmation window. Here, once you tap delete account button, your account will be deleted within next 30-day period of time because of security purposes. So after that 30-day period, you can't retrieve anything you have added. So I highly recommend you to download a copy of your information of your account. So to confirm your deletion request, just tap delete account button. Then your deletion request will be sent, as well as you will get this kind of notice. Your account is now scheduled for permanent deletion, as well as you will be logged out from your account. Instead of deleting your account, if you want to deactivate or if you want to take a temporary break or you want to disable it, you can just tap this end screen video and come on off. That's today's tutorial. See you in the next one. Later.